Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Good Morning, Mr. D. Today we're talking about three tiny but powerful words in English: a, an, and the. These are called articles, and they help us talk about things clearly. Let's break them down and learn how to use them like a pro. In English, we have two types of articles: indefinite articles, a and an the definite article, the. Let's start with the indefinite ones. We use a and an when we talk about something for the first time or when it's not specific. But what's the difference? Use a before words that start with a consonant sound, a dog, a book, a university, because although university starts with the letter U, it also starts with the U sound, which is a consonant sound. If it was a vowel sound, it would start with the sound. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, and that is a, e, I, o, u, or phonetically a, e, I, o, and An apple, an elephant, an honor. Because honor, although it starts with H, that H is silent, so it makes the sound at the beginning. Now let's talk about the. We use the when we talk about something specific or something we already mentioned. For example, I saw a dog. It could be any dog, it's not specific, it could be a Chihuahua, it could be a Golden Retriever. The dog was very friendly. Now we're talking about a very specific dog, and it probably wasn't the Chihuahua. We also use the when there's only one of something. The sun, the moon, and the Eiffel Tower. Now it's time for us to test our skills. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Number 1. I saw blank elephant at the zoo. Number 2. She bought blank apple and blank banana. Number 3. We visited blank Grand Canyon last summer. Well, that's it for today. Articles may be small, but they make a big difference in English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome grammar tips. See you in the next episode.